Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third puzzle, regular puzzle, a JigSaw Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 10th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. It's time now for the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. News of today, well, I've told you earlier. Harris versus Trump. A debate in the evening. Who will win? We don't know. Let's get started. This one will be 9, 2, 4, 7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. For a hard one, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, 16. I don't think it's a 3 stars. Maybe a 1 star. 2 stars. Could be. We'll see. 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about 2 duo boxes? I see only 1 duo box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? How about triple boxes? Do we have here triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. How about quadro boxes? I see here 1 quadro box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. And those numbers could be everywhere. More quadro boxes? No. Then, my next strategy. So no triple boxes, no quadro boxes. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Another one. Upside down, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape? No, let me start with this shape. Where's that shape now? Here. Yeah. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Don't believe so. Only 1. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. You have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1. And 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 2. But we already have a 2 here. So not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. Then this box can be a 5. That box can be 5, and this box can be 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, let me see. Go up. This box can be 2. But also those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we saw a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Then I think this box will be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then, let me see. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Wow. That means that this box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to wait here. This box can be 4, but also that box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1. And 5. We have a 5. Double 5 here, so I cannot place the 5 there. The 5 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. We go up. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. That box can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes, 2 out of 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1. And the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. We go down. Let me think. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 4. This one is also connected with that box, should be so a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, can be 4, can be 5, we have a double 5 there, yes, definitely 2. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. The 5 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be 3 anymore, and that box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, mark those 2 boxes all the way to 3. We have a 3 now, so this can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Surprise, surprise. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 2? Can it be a 1? Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.